If you are having trouble waking up and feeling lazy, this video is just for you. In this video, I am going to share 6 tips that you can use so that you can wake up fresh in the morning. So stay tuned, grab your notepad because we are already started. By the way, if you are meeting first time, I am Manav and welcome to Prior Self. In this channel, we talk about all the tools that help us enhance our productivity and achieve our peak performance. If you are interested in learning more, consider subscribing. In order to wake up fresh early, you need to have a sufficient sleep, right? And in order to do that, I am going to share some tips so that you can have efficient sleep, good night sleep. So first tip is that you need to start sleeping in a dark and quiet room. You might be sleeping but your subconscious mind, your brain is still working, your most of the organs are still working. And if there is any kind of light around your room or any kind of noise around your room, this is going to mess up with your sleep. So close all the curtains and try to sleep in a dark and quiet room. Second tip is to keep the temperature down. In a research, it was found out that if you sleep in slightly colder room, maybe 1 degree or 2 degree less than the normal room temperature, you are going to have really nice sleep. And this does have so many health benefits as well. Third thing that you need to do before going to bed is stretch before you go to sleep. All the muscles that are tensed, relax them a little bit, because this is really important to get a good night's sleep. And once you get good night's sleep, you are going to wake up fresh in the morning. You are going to be so much energized, so much active without any kind of caffeine consumption. Fourth point that you need to consider if you are having trouble sleeping properly is to prepare a bedtime. And I don't care what time you go to sleep and what time you wake up, but you need to fix that and prepare a proper routine. If you are going to bed at 1 a.m., you need to make that a habit. And even if you are going to bed early, let's say 10 p.m. or 11 p.m., you need to make that a habit as well. After you prepare a particular habit, after you get a hold of a certain time, your biological clock will be set according to it. And if you mess up with that bedtime routine, it's going to mess up with your sleep as well. Those were 4 tips that you need to start preparing before you go to bed. And now after you wake up and get out of bed, you need to start doing these 2 tips that I'm going to tell you so that you can ensure that you are waking up fresh and active in the morning. Tip number 5, don't hit that snooze button. You are having a certain bedtime, right? So there has to be a particular time when you are going to wake up. So you set alarm for that particular time. But as soon as you hit that snooze button, you are giving away control, and maybe you might be just asking for 5 more minutes, but this can go long for a while and it could even take 1 hour for you to get out of bed. If you are planning to wake up at 6 a.m., no more snooze button, wake up at 6 a.m. And sixth and the final thing you need to do is to hydrate yourself with water. You might be sleeping for 6 to 8 hours and you are not getting any water inside your body. Your body gets dehydrated and your brain gets dehydrated. If you want to be focused, if you want to be active, if you want to wake up fresh in the morning, first thing you need to do before you get out of bed is drink a glass of water. The more you are going to hydrate yourself, the more you are going to feel energized, the more easily that dehydration is going to recover. So always start your day with a glass of water. And these were all the 6 tips from my side that is going to help you wake up fresh in the morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a like. Just share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in another video another time very soon. Until then, peace out.